Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zoho to n8n. This powerful integration allows you to automate tasks between your Zoho applications, like Zoho CRM or Zoho Calendar, and hundreds of other services. By streamlining your business processes with robust workflows, you can significantly enhance productivity and minimize manual data entry. We will walk through the essential steps to get your systems talking seamlessly and efficiently. First, you'll need to set up your Zoho API credentials. Navigate to the Zoho API console and create a new client application. It's crucial to select server-based applications as your client type. Once created, Zoho will provide you with a unique client ID and client secret. Make sure to save these securely. Finally, configure the authorized redirect URI, which you will obtain directly from your n8n instance. Next, let's configure the credentials within n8n. Open your n8n dashboard, navigate to the Credentials section, and select New Credential. From the list, choose Zoho OAuth 2 API. You will then input the client ID and client secret you obtained from the Zoho API console, along with the redirect URL. Follow the prompts to securely connect your Zoho account, granting the necessary permissions for n8n to interact with your Zoho applications. With your credentials set up, you're ready to build your workflow. Drag and drop a Zoho node, such as Zoho CRM or Zoho Calendar, onto your n8n canvas. Select the Zoho credential you just configured for authentication. Then, define your specific triggers and actions. For example, creating a new lead in Zoho CRM when a form is submitted. Always test your workflow thoroughly to ensure every step functions correctly and your automation runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.